Yeah, just follow my speed on the wall.
Okay. Here we go. Crank it up. Following Emerson. He's really good at the jumps. So it's fun, good following him. So I can hit all of them. Good. Oh, the brake bumps. It's our last lap down, so. Yeah. Shred, shred, shred. What the heck? I like rolled that. Oh yeah. No, I like rolled over it basically. I missed the timing completely. Oh yeah. This is my favorite trail. Cranked up. It's so good. Oh yeah. Cleared. Oh yeah. Oh, that was sketchy. Last lap. Just gotta tell myself second last. Because bad things always happen on the last lap. So, I'm gonna say it's second last lap. Ooh. Man. Too much speed for that. Here we go. After we crank it up. Oh, not this guy. Oh, man. I can never clear that jump. Oh, yeah. This is my favorite section in here. All these, oh, floater. Just float over them. Let's chill. Oh, oh my God. That was deep. Oh yeah. This is my favorite trail. Oh yeah. Nice. Okay, this is dropping. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. The side hit there. Super fun. The step ups here are insanely fun. Just jump after jump after jump. Oh yeah. Oh. Oh yeah. Oh, oh yeah. Let's go. Oh, oh. Man, I cased that. Oh, yeah. Just those second step up and casing a lot. Oh my God. Emerson. Go nose heavy. Gonna take the, oh man, case. Oh yeah. Emerson. It's the last lap. Oh, nice little rollers. It's always good to brake. Oh. Go up this. Not, oh. Man, that thing kicks you so high. It's so fun. Oh yeah. Yeah, these are my favorite jumps right here. Oh. Being a bit rowdy on that. Oh yeah. Oh. Yeah. Love these jumps. Woo! Go right over here. No brake bumps. But, oh. Oh, my hands hurt so bad. It's like carpal tunnel or something. Oh my God. Oh, my hands. Oh, oh, oh. Yeah, that hurts so bad. Oh my God, I have to just stop here. Oh, shit, bro. Oh my God. Oh my God. Man, Emerson, you were getting sketchy.
I thought I was done like 3 times.
Yeah. I hit 2 of them to flat basically.
Oh yeah. Yeah, see, you're getting it on.
But I'm casing like 2 or 3 of them.
Yeah, you'll get those ones.
Yeah, I just gotta ride them more.
520.
I still, it's the one before the step up on lower.
Yeah.
That one's, it's like,
You know this one that's like, it looks more like a gap?
yeah.
I like that one, but that one's